Okay, now before we get started, if you like these videos, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. And while you're down there, hit that subscribe button. The more people that know about this channel, the better decision people can make before they go out and buy these products. Now today we're going to talk about a portable flash drive that you might want to consider getting if you're scared of losing information. Today's review is going to be on the 64 gigabyte flash drive from Kingston. Kingston is one of the top manufacturers of flash drives. They are a known brand in this industry, and I said I have to have one. Now let's jump right into pro number one. If you're looking for portability, this flash drive is what you're looking for. This is super small and it's smaller than the size of my pinky. It goes on a keychain, it fits in your pocket, and it's something that you can carry everywhere you go. Now, pro number two, if you have an older computer or a newer computer, it doesn't matter because this is USB data 3.0, but it also works on 2.0 devices. So if you have an older computer that only allows USB 2.0 data transfer, this will work for that computer, and it also works on the 3.0s. Now, as you're gonna see here, I'm going to demonstrate how I'm transferring an older video that I uploaded that's a little over 3 gigabytes, and let's see how long it takes to transfer this video. Pro number three, when I talk about portability, I needed something that I could carry around and I didn't want to worry about losing. Now, the one thing that I truly love about this is that this is solid metal. The casing for your keyring is also part of the frame, meaning that it is one piece and it is solid. And it being metal also gave me the security that I didn't have to worry about the plastic breaking off like some of the other USB flash drives out there had. Now, pro number four, there is no setup. There's typically two formats that come when you get these USB flash drives. They normally come in FAT32 or NTFS. Now these also come with a newer format as well, which is called exFAT. Now exFAT, which you're gonna see right here, is a newer file format. Now for me personally, when I format any flash drive or hard drive, I'm formatting it in exFAT because that way I will be able to use PC and Macs together utilizing this. Now, pro number five, the price. When I looked at Kingston, knowing that they're a top brand, and saw that this was only running for $12.99 for a 64 gigabyte flash drive, I had to have it. Now, when you look at some of the competitors, you see this is 64 gigs, this is 128 gigs from Samsung, and this one's running for $27.99, but these are all 32 gigs, and these cost, if not more, some cheaper than this one running at $12.99. But again, this is half the gigabyte storage that you have on this particular device. Pro number six, this is perfect if you're looking for something to back up those personal or those sensitive files. If you have files that you need for work, or you have pictures that you just want to keep in a safe place just in case your computer or something crashes on you, this is perfect for that. I have a lot of my pictures and everything else backed up just on this in case I ever run into any issues. That way I can easily upload them and put them right back on my computer once I get things resolved. Now, with all of those pros, you guys know me, my videos wouldn't be the same if I didn't talk about the cons. Con number one, even though I can utilize this on Mac or PC, I can't use this for Android, or I can't use it for my iPhone device. What that means is now with the newer technology, you can plug cables into your Androids or your iPhone devices and you can transfer data right to flash drives. This particular flash drive, I can't use that with. Now, I'm also throwing this one into the con section, but it's not a big con for most. This doesn't come with a cap that you see here. So again, I don't know if you can call that a con, but I'm adding it to the cons because I wish it would have come with that cap to protect the inside from getting dust and things like that. Now, with all the pros and all the cons, if this is definitely something you're looking to go get, I'm gonna put a description below so you can check it out on Amazon. And while you're down there, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Again, the more people that know about this channel, the better decision people can make when they go out and buy these products. This has been another production from OndaWire. I'm out.